Just try. Say your full sentence.
No, don't.
So you put on pressure. Okay.
Because if you do the practice will be perfect. So you've just got to be filming. Let's go.
Hey everyone, we're from NISEP, coming to you from the REDFERN Community Centre.
We're here for the Indigenous Science Experience.
Today the REDFERN Community Centre is buzzing with elders, leaders and community members, all gathered to celebrate Indigenous and Western science.
We'll take you behind the scenes, introduce you to some inspiring people and share what the Indigenous Science Experience is all about. We're yarning with elders about bush foods and medicines, learning how native plants and seaweeds are used for health and sustainability. We're discovering Indigenous astronomy.
There are hands-on activities for everyone, weaving, physics, chemistry, virtual reality.
And dance, the science of movement.
Hey, what are you doing here today?
Hi, my name's Sarah and we're teaching people about the cultural significance of seaweed in Australia. We've got some sea urchins, some abalone.
From home we've got midgeon berries here. They're a food for our Yagal people. We also have bush lemons that I bought from Yagal Wadjar, Yagal country. Kunjivoi, which is a toxic plant but has a lot of medicinal purposes.
So today we are doing a tools and tech workshop. For anyone who's coming around, I'll explain some of the tools, the techniques, how they are made.
Why do you think days like today are important?
I think today is a fantastic opportunity for our local community and broader community to learn about 65,000 years of First Nations science. I think it's a really important acknowledgement that science works two ways, but it's also an opportunity for young First Nations people to think, oh, maybe there's a career in science for me.
I think events like this at the REDFERN Community Centre are really important. I mean, this is, spotlighting science.
It's so amazing to see what you're doing, what's being shared, but also just opening people's minds.
Just walked over, picked it up and he's read it, and apparently he's actually walked through forbidden land and gone through the wrong place, so he's actually had to do a smoking ceremony, so just to get them bad spirits off of him.
Do you know that Indigenous people are the first bakers, architects, scientists, many, many things?
What are you doing here today?
So we're with ANSTO, the Australian Nuclear Science and Technology Organisation, and we're here to do a VR experience of a tour of the actual reactor.
And today I'm working with Indigofera australis. It's a plant native all along the east coast, and we're using it to produce a natural blue dye.
So turning this into talk about conservation and pollination and the importance of the role of bees and sovereign pollinators within our urban environments and just environment in general.
We're here talking about birds, and most important with science, we're talking about feathers and how birds fly.
And we are testing the customary medicines and medicinal plants.
We are showing how we are managing this pest in the field level.
We're here showing people how you can use light microscopes and electron microscopes to look at all sorts of different biological and material samples.
Today we're trying to demonstrate some of the fundamental principles of life.
Events like this show us that we can all be scientists and that Indigenous knowledge is a vital part of Australia's scientific story.
We're proud to be part of NISEP, learning and sharing knowledge with everyone.
Today has shown us that science is everywhere, in the land, the sky and our communities.
Science belongs to everyone, and together we can make a difference. Thank you for joining us at REDFERN.
See you all next year.